Welcome to Buy the Best Thing channel. Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 Explore travel camping tents currently on the market. We get started with our video. We have included a link in the description box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1, Moon Lence Pop-Up Tent Family Camping Tent 4-Person Tent. With the unfolding size of 240.210.125 cm, 0.94.5.82.6.49.2 in, the tent is spacious for 4 adults. Weigh only 4.9 kilograms, 10.8 lb. It can be stored into the 83.18.18 cm, 32.7.7.1.7.1 in carry bag. Super easy to carry it everywhere. All-round protection, 190 TPU material and 210D Oxford ground sheet provide 2000 mm water resistance and excellent UV resistance. The doors equipped with high-quality SBS zippers can be closed tightly, which provides stronger resistance to harsh weather. 2 large doors with dual zippers and 2 ground vents provide much better ventilation. Equipped with 10 lightweight alloy pegs and 4 guy ropes, the tent has a high resistance of wind. More secure. Number 2, AYAMAYA Pop-Up Tent Waterproof and Windproof and All-Round Protection. Automatic Instant Setup. Pick up your camping tent, pop up automatically without assembling required. Larger space design, bigger mesh window, provide excellent cool and comfortable for you, also keeping insects out. The unique vestibule design offers a separate room for lots of camping gear, shoes, or your large dog. You can leave muddy shoes and outer clothing in the vestibule and needn't bring dirt into the main tent. Number 3, TOOCA Pop-Up Camping Tents. Make your camping adventure a pleasant and memorable one by bringing this tent. Extra space and an interior storage pocket for your phone, flashlight, or other small camping gear. With the rain-resistant coating and taped seams, this tent is a great 3-season option to easily set up, take down, and keep your time spent experiencing the outdoors. Footprint, rain fly, and lots of advantages. I personally use this camping. Number 4, Eureka Tetragon NX3. Season Camping Tent. The perfect CAR camping companion. A perfect choice for casual car campers, the Tetragon NX offers a durable frame that sets up easily, combined with smart design features like the hooded rain fly and large door, to keep you dry and comfortable on every camping trip. Quality materials, design features, and construction ensure years of trouble-free use. Number 5, Coleman SKYDOME Moon Lence Pop-Up Tent Family Camping Tent 4-Person. Moon Lence Pop-Up Tent is a family camping tent 4-person, portable instant setup, with 2 doors and 2 windows, nicely ventilated with its 2 floor vents, and with a great price tag. The tent is quite low. The height is 49.2 inches, 125 centimeters, but the inner ceiling is even lower. If you are not familiar with such a design, this means that the frame is pre-attached to the tent. It looks like an umbrella, but with the frame outside. See the picture below. You can have this tent ready in under 1 minute.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.